So this is the giveaway for the month of May. Right, we're giving away 3 of these muscle car posters, which are actually stamps, US stamps. It's a muscle car collection. We're going to get 3 of them away. And Nick here is going to do the draw. I'm going to be the witness. And Mario over there is also going to be a witness. So, Nick, no looking, no cheating.
Without any looking, without any prejudice.
And the winner is, for the first one, Tim Gladwin, order number 2981. How's that? So we're going to do draw number 2.
You gave away 3 of them, is it?
3 of them this month.
How about this month?
Okay. How about that? We've got another Tim. A Tim Jessome, order number 3007.
Huh?
Wow.
What's that?
What's the odds of that?
And the final one.
Hang on, let's mix them up a bit. Dig in there.
What's in this coming?
And we have order number 2978. Dennis, how would he pronounce that?
Marchildon.
Marchildon.
You call me.
Anyway, look, congratulations to the 3 winners for this month. And thank you for your
You're
help.
very welcome. Congratulations to the winners.
And we'll see you on YouTube.